If you're not registered, you must click the Not a Member Sign Up Now option. You can have 5 popplets for free. If you want to create a new popplet, you can click Make New Popplet. Here, you can choose your title and your favorite color. On the right hand corner, you can see some examples of popplets. If you double click, bubbles will appear and you can start your popplet. On the settings button, you can do many things. You can save, you can duplicate your popplet, or even add content such as videos. Below your popplet, you can do many things, like adding a title, drawing, or even adding an image. If you want to add a video, you can go to Settings, Add Content, and Vimeo. And here you can search for the video or even input the video URL. If you want to add collaborators, you can do it by clicking the Share button. Here you can add collaborators so they can work with you in your popplet in real time. You can also share your popplet with others by clicking the Make Popplet Public option. Here you can select your privacy option and share it with whoever you want. Lastly, to export your popplet, go to Settings, click Export, and here you can save it as an image, as a PDF, or simply share it.